that civilization may not sink, this great battle lost. Quiet the dog. Tether the pony to a distant post. Our master Caesar's in the tent where the maps are spread. His eyes fixed upon nothing, a hand under his head. Like a long-legged fly upon the stream, his mind moves upon silence. That the topless towers be burned, and men recall that face. Move most gently, if move you must in this quiet place. She thinks, 1 part woman, 3 parts a child, that nobody looks. Her feet practice a tinker shuffle, picked up on the street. Like a long-legged fly upon the stream, her mind moves upon silence. That girls at puberty may find that first Adam in their thought. Shut the door of the Pope's chapel. Keep the children out. There, on that scaffolding, reclines Michelangelo. With no more sound than the mice make, his hand moves to and fro. Like a long-legged fly upon the stream, his mind moves upon silence.